And now you were out here a moment ago with your husband, admiring the truss being removed. And you said that you've been watching this for how long?
Since 1870. I moved here.
1970.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And so, what are your thoughts when now you're seeing this bridge is being taken down?
Well, at first I was kind of teary-eyed with it coming down, but we realized we got flooded out in 2008 kind of because of the bridge, so it needed to probably go. And but I know there's a lot of people that would have liked to have seen it stay here, you know. But yeah, it's interesting to see it go.
Now, of course, it was like the last 6 years now. It's been talk about what they're going to do with it ever since they closed it down in February 15. What do you think about all the discussions that have been going on over the years here?
Yeah, it's been interesting to listen to all of it. You know, the pros and the cons of it. But, yeah.
How would you like to see the resolution?
I'm glad that they are taking it down. Because I'm hoping to live quite a bit longer here, so and I don't want to get flooded out again.
So what do you think that maybe eventually they can put a new span here, whether it be pedestrian or vehicular?
That would be something that they could sure talk about. It would be interesting to see if they could come up with some options for that.
What do you think of the history of this span? It's been up there since 1917.
It's a long time, and you know, there's a lot of bridges that are not safe anymore, so it probably needed to come down.